On today's menu, a beautifully colorful recipe you'll surely take a bite out of. Easy Fattoush. Lehoma, I'm Yeung from YoungMadeCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This salad is one of my absolute favorites, and I know I say that about every salad, but the ingredients are so accessible, really easy to make, and of course, it's absolutely delicious. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Chop 2 pita bread into bite-sized pieces. Bake in the oven for a couple of minutes. Remember to set a timer so you won't forget about it. Half a red onion, thinly sliced. Three radishes, thinly sliced. Of course, we just have to make sure that they're nice and crispy. That's really nice and crispy. Now remember, for those crispy chips that we took the time to make, just leave them in the pan so they can gradually lower in temperature, and that way they'll stay nice and crispy. If we just immediately throw it into a container or a bowl, it's going to trap some of that heat and create some condensation, and then they'll just get those chips really soggy, and that's definitely not what we want. Roughly chop 1 cucumber into bite-sized pieces. Chop 1 green bell pepper into small pieces. Slice in half about 200 grams of cherry tomatoes. Now for the romaine, be sure after you wash it that it's completely dry, or else the dressing will just kind of drip off of the leaves. Wash and chop about 450 grams of romaine lettuce. Use a salad spinner to really dry off the romaine lettuce. This step is important because if your leaves are wet, it will dilute your dressing. This is definitely one of the best inventions ever. Salad spinner, amazing. And we just have to make that easy and delicious dressing and your salad is good to go. This recipe is actually one of the recipes in the Cook with Confidence cookbook. 20 grams fresh mint. And of course, depending on the size of the romaine that you actually get, you may have to make a little bit more dressing or make a little bit less. It's completely up to your taste. And of course, to find out more information or to take a sneak peek of inside the book, I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check that out or get your signed copy. Grate 1 piece of garlic into a small jar. Half teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons sumac, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 4 tablespoons olive oil. Give the jar a good shake and pour onto the salad. Toss. Plate. Top with crispy pita chips to your heart's delight. You can now enjoy this beautifully refreshing salad with absolute confidence. This has got to be the easiest but most flavorful salad ever. That is incredible. You will not believe how aromatic and tasty and flavorful this humble salad really is. I mean, right when you take that first bite, you get that really amazing aromatic freshness from the mint, which is just phenomenal. And you have that delicious romaine that is just so hydrating and refreshing. And of course, it contrasts with the amazing crunchiness of those pita chips that acts as basically like a crouton in this salad. And then of course you have the delicious kind of juicy sweetness from those cherry tomatoes. And visually, I mean, you don't have to use heirloom colored tomatoes, but of course it does give that kind of visual impact and it just looks really beautiful with all those amazing colors. The cucumber and the green bell pepper adds a little bit of that crunchiness and that freshness. The green bell pepper adds a little bit of that kind of pepperiness, and the red onion adds that extra kick of flavor as well. The dressing is incredible. It is so simple, just a few simple ingredients, and you have that fresh kind of lemon juice, tanginess, have a little bit of that saltiness. The sumac adds a little bit of that kind of acidity, citrusy flavor, and of course you get that really beautiful fruity, aromatic flavor from the olive oil. I think for me personally, that mint really is kind of like the hero of the salad because you definitely just don't see it. It's almost like the ninja that hides in there. It camouflages with the romaine lettuce, but man, once you take a bite and you get that unexpected kick of aromatic heaviness, is just such a treat and is absolutely amazing. Now that big bowl of salad is definitely great for a bunch of people, but it's so delicious. I could totally eat that all by myself. Absolutely amazing. So easy. And if you love easy and delicious recipes like this, then definitely check out that vegan ramen cookbook or the Cook with Confidence cookbook. Of course, to see a bit of a sneak peek of inside the book, I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check that out or get your signed copy. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.